shit. Going on with me and G. Alright, that's it, so. And then I came up here. My way past my little state. Comments in your red. Alright, yeah.